What's up everybody, I'm Vinny Guadagnino. You might recognize me from MTV's Jersey Shore. Welcome to my SoHo condo. I worked with a designer named Vanessa DeLeon and I said I want natural minimalism and also very monochromatic. Sometimes I get yelled at by Vanessa for not adding more color, but I don't care. I like everything to be beige, neutral, and gray. Follow me, I'm gonna show you around. Obviously, the thing that really made me buy this apartment was the view. You know, I'm looking downtown, World Trade Center, such an iconic building, but my favorite has to be the water and just watching the boats go by all day. It's so soothing. And I guarantee you that no dog in New York City has a view like my dog. I have a pit bull named Tita. She's not here right now, but she usually just lays right here and then just stares at the view. All right, so this is the main living space. I like functionality of a space over size. Everyone's kind of hanging out together. We're in the dining room. I'm a foodie, okay? It's Italian. My family comes over here. We have nice little Sunday dinners, so I definitely wanted to have a nice functional dining room table in here. Make sure it's that, you know, neutral beige gray wood. And I'm a little older now. I'm 36 years old. I'm not like the Jersey Shore partier that I once was. But people still love to drink in New York City, so I had to have a bar cart, and it's very inviting. You want a drink? Here you go, make it for yourself, and I won't be having a hangover. So in my living room, we have obviously a nice sectional couch here to chill out, watch TV on. But I didn't know this, but the star of the living room was gonna be this little half a dinosaur egg coffee table, but it's just like the perfect space here because you're not working with a giant room, so you have to find little things that create a great aesthetic, but are also small and functional. This wall is like my favorite wall. I actually have been falling more in love with abstract because it could be anything you want, you know? Every day this could be something different. I put my little KAWS figurine here. KAWS is a New York City artist. They all have like different emotions to them. All mine are kind of sad, but it's like that little pop just to make the space more unique to myself. One of the reasons why I bought this apartment was because of the kitchen. I love all the wood finishes. It just adds so much wood element to the apartment. And if you don't have that in the kitchen, then you're lacking, you know? Very hard to find in a smaller New York City apartment, such a massive island with stone and wood. I love cooking and I love this kitchen, and that's one of the big reasons why I got this apartment. Off the living room is the second bedroom. It's a very flexible space. This is a Murphy bed that comes down as another bed. And this is all storage throughout. You can never have enough closet space in New York City. So I don't have many pictures hanging. I like everything minimal, but I had to remember what got me here, where this all came from, which was Jersey Shore. So this was a gift from my network for the original first 6 seasons of Jersey Shore. It reads, "You changed our channel by making it impossible to change our channel." That is straight facts. Jersey Shore is legendary, and yeah, it got me here. And another thing I'm really proud of is I had a New York Times best-selling book called Control the Crazy. You know, to be on the New York Times bestseller list is legendary, so my agent framed that for me, and I have that hanging as well. You're not gonna meet many people with a sauna in their New York City bathroom. Looking out at the view, it's amazing. And I go in here almost every night to decompress and recover. So it's pretty cool that it was able to fit in here. I don't need a massive primary bedroom as long as I can fit a nice sized bed in here, get my beauty sleep, that's what's most important. Everything is beige and earthy, but I love this little reclaimed wood bench that I have going on here. It really adds some life, you know? Nice, obviously, minimal, abstract piece of art, but the most important part about this is the view. It is rare that you wake up to the Empire State Building and beautiful water, and then you have a nice cup of coffee looking at the Freedom Tower. So it's just really hitting every angle of the city, and it's great. And obviously, I have another amazing dog bed for my dog Tita. She has another great view, but Little secret, she does sleep on my bed at night with me, so she has both options. And now we are in the main closet. I love clothes, I love fashion. Sometimes I have to stop myself because I can't fit it all, but everything's neutral, everything's beige. People always say they're like, there's like zero color in here, but that's kind of just like my style. I built this custom ironing board right here every time I go out. One of my favorite features. It's always the little things, you know? It's not the big fancy things. All right, guys, hope you like my New York City condo. This is my little beige oasis in the sky. I love living in New York City. Hope you like the view. Thanks for coming. See you on the next one. Vinny out.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.